They say nothing in life is free, especially not a top crypto like Toncoin. But what if I told you that this Toncoin right here, I earned it all for free just by using my phone? Most people hear free crypto and immediately think it's a scam or just a flat-out waste of time. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process I use to earn free Toncoin and how you can get started today. So what's the big secret? It's not some genius trading bot or a high-risk investment. It's actually hiding in plain sight, inside an app that millions of us already use every single day, Telegram. The entire Toncoin ecosystem was practically born from Telegram, which means the best opportunities are baked right into the app. We're talking about a new wave of games and apps that actually reward you for your time and attention. But let's be real, the crypto space can feel like the Wild West, and scams are everywhere. That's why we're not just talking about how to earn, but how to do it safely. The single most important rule is to have a secure non-custodial wallet, a wallet that you and only you control. This is your personal vault where your earnings will land. I'm going to walk you through the whole journey, from setting up your first secure Toncoin wallet to finding legit games in Telegram, and finally, cashing out your earnings into that wallet. You'll see my screen every step of the way, so you can follow right along. By the end, you'll have the complete blueprint to start earning. Before we even dream about earning, we need to build our fortress. There's a mantra in crypto: not your keys, not your coins. It means if you don't hold the master key to your wallet, the crypto inside isn't truly yours. This is why we never use a random wallet an app gives us. We're setting up our own. The wallet I personally use and recommend is Tonkeeper. It's one of the most trusted wallets in the Ton ecosystem. It's user-friendly, and most importantly, it's non-custodial. This means you are the only one with the keys to the castle. Here's the setup. First, go to your phone's official app store, Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Tonkeeper. Be careful here. Double-check the developer name and download count to make sure you're getting the real deal and not a clone. Once it's downloaded, open it up and tap Create a new wallet. You'll set a quick PIN code for easy access, but that's not the main event. Now this next step is the most critical part of the entire video, so please pay close attention. The app is going to give you a 24-word secret recovery phrase. These 24 words are the master key to your wallet. If someone else gets these words, they can access your funds from anywhere in the world. You need to write these words down on a piece of paper in order. Don't screenshot it. Don't save it in your Notes app. Don't email it to yourself. Phones can be hacked, lost, or broken. A simple piece of paper, stored safely offline where only you can find it, is the gold standard. I'd even make 2 or 3 copies and hide them in different secure spots. After you've written the phrase down, Tonkeeper will ask you to confirm a few of the words to make sure you did it right. Once that's done, your wallet is live. Congrats! You now have a personal secure vault for your Toncoin. Your wallet address, that long string of letters and numbers you'll need for receiving funds, can be found by tapping the Receive button. Wallet secured? Awesome! Now it's time to find an engine to start filling it. The Ton ecosystem on Telegram is buzzing with play-to-earn or tap-to-earn games. These games, made famous by hits like Notcoin and Hamster Combat, reward you with in-game points that can later be converted into actual crypto. But here's a dose of reality. There are thousands of these mini-games, and not all of them are legit or will follow through on their promises. It's key to find games with active communities and a clear plan for launching a token. Today, we'll use a popular game style as our example. Let's call it Galaxy Tapper. You'll usually get into these games through a special link. Full transparency. I'll drop links to a few popular games I'm playing in the description. In the crypto world, these are called referral links. It's a standard practice. Using my link usually gets you a starting bonus of in-game coins, and I get a small kickback that helps me keep making these guides. It's a win-win. Once you click the link on your phone, Telegram will pop open with the game's bot. Just hit the Start button. The game interface will load right inside your chat, welcome you, and if you used a link, drop your bonus coins. That's it, you're in. All right, now for the fun part, the earning. These tapper games look simple on the surface, but a little strategy goes a long way. Step 3.1, the core mechanic, tapping. It's exactly what it sounds like. You'll see something to tap, a coin, a planet, whatever, and every tap earns you points. You've also got an energy bar that runs down as you tap. Once it's empty, you have to wait for it to recharge. That's your baseline for earning. Step 3.2. Work smarter, not harder. The boosts. Just tapping will get you nowhere fast. The real secret is in the boosts section. This is where you spend your earned points to make more points, faster. Multi-tap. This upgrade increases the points you get per tap. It should be one of your first priorities. Energy limit. This increases your max energy so you can tap for longer. Recharging speed. This makes your energy bar fill up faster. Auto Tap Bot. This is often the MVP of upgrades. It's a bot that automatically taps for you for a few hours a day, even when the app is closed. This means you're literally earning while you sleep. Step 3.3. The Fast Track. Missions and tasks. Want a massive injection of points? Head straight to the Earn or Tasks tab. These are one-time actions that can give you huge rewards. Typical tasks include social follows, following the project on X, joining their Telegram channel, or subscribing to their YouTube. Wallet connection. This one is crucial. You'll see a task to connect your Ton wallet. This is how the game will eventually send you your crypto, so you'll need to connect the Ton Keeper wallet we just made. Daily check-in. Simple but effective. Many games reward you with more and more points for each consecutive day you log in. Completing these tasks can supercharge your balance and put you way ahead. Step 3.4. Strengthen numbers, squads, and referrals. Finally, remember, these are social games. Pretty much all of them have a friends or squad feature. Inviting your friends with your referral link gives you a bonus for each one who joins. Plus, you'll often get a percentage of what they earn. Joining a squad or team can also unlock group bonuses and put you on leaderboards for even more rewards. Don't sleep on the social multiplier. It can grow your earnings exponentially. This is the moment of truth. After all that tapping and upgrading, it's time to turn those game points into real Toncoin in your wallet. This usually happens after the project has its Token Generation Event or TGE, which is when they officially launch their crypto. The game will announce an airdrop, and a claim button will pop up in the app. Here's what happens next. First, you'll tap that claim button. The game, which already has your Ton Keeper wallet address from the tasks, will show you how much Toncoin you can claim. Next, you'll confirm the withdrawal. This will trigger a transaction that you need to approve in your Ton Keeper wallet. One quick heads up. Every transaction on a blockchain requires a tiny gas fee to pay the network. On the Ton network, these fees are usually just a few cents, but you do need a small amount of Toncoin in your wallet to cover it. You can easily buy $1 or $2's worth on an exchange and send it to your Ton Keeper to be ready. Once you confirm, the transaction is sent off to the blockchain and should be processed in a few minutes. While we wait, let's talk about what's next. Earning from games is a great start, but if you're looking for a reliable, long-term way to grow your Toncoin, you should look into staking. Staking is where you lock up your coins to help secure the network, and in return, you earn rewards, kind of like interest in a savings account. The annual return for staking Ton is currently around 4 to 5%, which is a fantastic way to passively grow your crypto. I'll be making a full guide on that soon, so subscribe if you're interested. And there it is. As you can see on my screen, a new notification from Ton Keeper just popped up. Transaction received. I'll open my wallet, and yup, the balance has updated. The Toncoin we earned in the game is now officially in my personal wallet, safe and sound. It's not just points anymore. It's a real valuable asset that I completely own and control. If this guide was helpful and you're ready to start earning your own free Toncoin, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto guides. And definitely check out the links in the description to get started with the games I'm currently playing. Remember, using the link gets you that starting bonus, so you'll be ahead from your very first tap. So, is earning free crypto a myth? Not at all. It takes a little time, a bit of strategy, and a big focus on safety, but as we just saw, it's 100% possible. You now have the complete blueprint. Set up a secure wallet, find a promising game, use smart strategies to boost your earnings, and cash out your rewards safely. The world of Web3 is just getting started, and this is just one of the cool opportunities popping up. If you have any questions while getting set up, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out. Now go get that wallet ready and start earning.